How to redeem Gamestop gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Gamestop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether you want to redeem or use it online or whether you want to use it from the app, both of the processes are same. So you can go to gamestop.com or you can also open the Gamestop app and then just make sure that you're basically signed into your account. Now to redeem your gift card on Gamestop, you have to do so during the checkout process. So if you haven't added any sort of products, make sure to add those products to your cart and then tap the cart icon. Now we're simply going to go to the checkout page by tapping the cart option as you can find here, then just going to this option here known as checkout. Now that we go to checkout, you can enter your shipping details and so on, and right under payment, if you look closely, you'll find an option that says to simply place and add your gift card. So you can just come back here and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add and find your gift card option. So let me show you. If I tap on checkout option, right here you'll be able to see add a trade-in or gift card number, as you can find it here. So right here, as you can see, under the payments tab. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically redeem your Gamestop gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.